I started the UW Native Plant Society to remove invasive species from campus so that we have more space for native plants, which makes more habitat for native insects. And this was because of a project that I did for my community psych class. The research that I did for that project demonstrated how much better people's mental health is when they live or work in areas where they have access to healthy green spaces. We meet once a week for 2 hours. It gives the opportunity to get outside, get exercise, get community. All of these things are good for students' mental health. The reason that I chose UW Bothell is because I wanted to have smaller class sizes, but I still wanted the power that comes with the UW name. I don't know that it would have been as easy for me to get permission to do a project like this on a larger campus. This is one problem in the world that you can have a direct material impact on, and even one native plant can mean the difference between life and death for an animal as small as a bumblebee.